kale ngambe ne ku campus omuntu ali yagamba ye Babby Gloria afumbirwa ddi
kasange na graduating mu manja bulungi nnyo ddi ngenda okufumbirwa kubanga batera okugamba bw'omala okusoma kikyolinda ate nze atagenda kukolera mu office ya muntu empozi nga gyeringa egaba sente eziwera sente zinvumisizaako eno shoka nsooke nziveeko but you understand so awo mujja kumanja bulungi ate munsabire nfune omuntu omulungi nga daddi wange
tolinayo gwolaba
bangi bendaba musabire nkyuzinge bulungi
qualities ki gyotunuulira n'ogamba mbunono yemu
bwe nayogera quality zange mujja genda mufeekinga nti ze quality ze mulina nina ku screeninga nze kane ngamba check okay tick naye omuntu bw'osookera omugamba oh these are my qualities asooka na acting ezo qualities zonna n'akulimbalimba ogenda okutuuka eri nga yali mask n'ogamba what you had none of these qualities. No, so I don't say my qualities.
Let way just never ziba bbirizo kogambe kukumiza enjagala qualities actually.
Of course, the non-negotiables are God-fearing. You need to be a born-again Christian. There's no way we're going to link different worlds together. You need to be my friend, my best friend. You need to be supportive. Ebisigadde sisa bibagamba.
Atali mulokole tozunga.
Amanyira ki atali mulokole. Kati banaye nga tufuna ekizibu nga nzina musala nga gwatamanyi kuba sala. Sure, we know kwanga now when you join me and our family has to be powerful. Nga tedi chisatu attacking. And omuntu atali mulokole rana weka in a family, you know? So, omulokole is a non-negotiable. Era mulokoke.
Unakuzala abana nga bameka?
Abana. Akabuto kajja danga sina bana. Ate wenzala abangi bana tekayikuke naye nga 2 or 3.
Woba wakubeera na musajja ng'odatinga omusajja mudatingira olowooza musobola datingira myaka emeka nga temunneewasa?
I think it depends on God's will naye I think omuntu olina omumanya ebyaddala nti omuntu olina omumanya for some time n'otayingira kintu n'obeera surprise all the time you surprise but also not too long ani gw'okooya tokooya abaana b'abendi temubuuza
omwana ogamba tolyagala mukoya courtship tugibalire emyaka
owaayi ajje mumanye bulungi oba bigwera mu myaka eno oba ebiri yamanyi I'm joking
mukoyeza nnyo
ayaba ayagala bbanga kigoyagala bbanga ki
sinze ngenda mu courtship
ambagwe courtship gyoyagala ebbanga
ennaku 3
ennaku 3 gwogo guba mu mwoyo gwaki mwoyo gwa last ennaku 3 ogo mwoyo era ngoba mu linnya erya Yesu
nakona ofuna osoka mujjamu mwoyo
ennaku 3 no hani oyo aba alimba
naye nga inbox y'omulimuko abazenga
mwe bali bambi sijja kulimba era ndowooza ngeri gye ndi mu limelight simbu ndi wakabi oba mbu banange ndi mulungi nnyo naye era omuntu abeera mu spotlight kyangu nnyo okuba ne layini y'abantu bali muli beetabula
bugambo ki basinga okusonza
era bwa bulijjo you're beautiful oh my god this oh my god that yar
omwana byayitinga ne bagamba Babby Gloria ali lubuto nebimana bitinga ne bagamba Babby Gloria yazzeemu olubuto wabiwulira
ebyo kati ate badde sinabiwulira mbadde manyi byadda kati oba mu mawulire mbadde n'embuto 10 kati kyaka luno lwa 11
bikuyisa bitya gwe nga Babby Gloria
manyi nti n'omuntu wabeera mu limelight oba wabeera mu spotlight balina omwogerako wabeerayo oli nga alina kyakkiriza mu bulamu bwe nti kyekyo ky'oli oli nalowooza kirala n'oli nalowooza kirala togendagenda ng'okwata buli muntu omugambe do you know who I am please this is who I am olumu mukama yakuwolereza ebisigadde n'obimulekera yes
Babby Gloria kati okola biki ng'ogyeko
byenkola ng'ogyeko okuyimba I'm a brand ambassador for so many companies ekyo nkyogera nnyo kubanga mu kintu kya endorsements mukama mpadde omukisa sinza asinga naye mukama mpadde omukisa okuba ne brands ezibulikikako eziri global eziri international nzeebaliza mukama okuzimpa that is why I say proudly that I'm a brand ambassador for endorsements I'm a digital marketer I'm a creative I'm an actor. Okay, we're not acting, but you get it. I'm a media personality. I'm a commercial personality. You know, something more virtuous from what? you know. So yeah, there are so many things I do I can't finish. I'm a businesswoman, I'm an entrepreneur. There's a lot.
Batugamba osoma biki?
Some PR, journalism, and media studies. Yes.
Oli mu mwaka ki?
Nantera okumaliriza nsomera ku Victoria University. Yes, abampa ambassadorship.
Wenga gwe bino ebya media by'osomye oyagala kukolera ku kale ku mukutu ki? Kapa TV.
Nabiyingiramu kubanga omuntu olina okuba n'empapula zo. Olina okuba n'empapula zo naye era bwe kiba nga kizenga deal nungi sina buzibu naye si bye ndiko mbu ndowooza nnyo ngenda ku TV ki ngenda ku radio ki. Though I love radio, people keep on telling me I have such a nice radio voice and everything, so maybe if such a good deal comes nsobola okujoininga.
Program ki gy'olaba n'ogamba eno program ngisobola singa ngenda ku radio bakuti?
Program teri kyesasobola. In this world there's nothing that I can't do. Yeah, there's nothing I cannot do through Christ who strengthens me. Yes.
Osoma kufuna mpapula naye by'osoma already ebintu ebinamula.
Byonna byenze nga nkola kuva buto nga terina binsomeseza. Okay, my mom and my family, but byenze nga nkola practical. Kati just nina balaga nti no ne theory mulina. Yeah, which nali njagala okukola ebintu ebirala bingi nnyo ng'oggyeko bye nkola kati. I wanted to do law. People say I would be such a good lawyer. I love law. I love international relations. I wanted to work in the UN. Bingi nnyo naye ne ngamba kansooka nkola ebintu ebyokufuna empapula just bino tunaabiraba edda. Yeah.
Which one?
Wano tuli ku premiere ya reality TV show Kampala Crib. Tandise leero ku airing ku Power Magic Prime. Yes.
Badde wali ozannyeeyo wali wakozeeyo ku reality show yonna?
Sinakolako ku reality TV show ate era sinagiraba mu Uganda. Eringa bwetiso gye nsooseemu. Yes.
Ebintu bino bye mwali mugira byali scripted oba tebyali?
Ebintu tebyali scripted. Nange nali nga ngamba ebiddala biri real. Nga producer batugamba this is real. This is what she has to say about you. And you're like, nina okuddayo nkole homework. You know, I have to go and re-strategize and and everything. But bam, bibiri real. Nothing is scripted. Yes.
Sini zonna z'ozannye oba z'obaddemu gwe wasinga okukalubira?
Ewasinga okunkalubiriza nga omukyala yali akoze event eya bougie nga tantegedde nga ndimubuuza cause yambukinga right the day before her event nga nyingidde story enangamba mbere host we. Then nemubuuza okay, so do you have a budget? Okitegeera because usually abantu balina going through your team okubooking okola batya. So nemubuuza do you have a budget? Kwaye I don't have a budget. Then ngamba but you're bougie, right? Like story bagiyita bougie, you're bougie. Manya abagaga amate bamanyi okwagala obutasasula. Okitegeera. Nina omubuuza cause tutogenda butayambala olina okujja nga oyambadde bulungi, olina okujja nga okoze ka make-up osibye enviiri ennungi weetegese bulungi ng'omuntu obuvunaanyizibwa. So you're not going to pick out of your pocket, right? Ekyo kyaleeta obuzibu ku show yonna. Manyira batya omuntu ne mugamba do you have a budget? Oli bougie, oli batya? You know, ne bireetawo a lot of saga on the show. Yes.
Babby Gloria gwenga gwe musical abantu basinga bagamba olinga tutadde oba watuta kati omaze ndowooza emyaka ngenda lwe wasembayo.
Sibatadde bannange, it's just music. Nga bulijjo bwe ngamba music wa mwoyo nze wange gwe nnyimba simalaga. Njagala nfulumye ekintu nga ddala bambi Mukama yanjogereramu nga music agenda kuwonya emmeeme z'abantu, abantu bagenda kutegeera Yesu, abantu bagenda kutegeera the gospel. So simalaga, njagala muwe time ennungi namwe mugambe tetulindidde bwereere. Yes. Olina
ky'ofumbayo kubanga era time ey'emyaka eno era nnene.
Bingi nnyo byenfumba gwe mubirinde mubeere on tune on Babby Gloria music pages mujja kubeera nga mubiraba.
Abantu abamu bagamba muno kati wootuuse okuza erinnya lya Babby Gloria weggyeko ekigambo baby.
Bannange nze kangenda kiddamu. I'm going to be my husband's baby. Ngenda kubeera nkyali my mom's baby, my dad's baby, kwegamba Uganda's baby. Kya baby no kijjagaana. Pozi musabire bantu mneye ddala. Simanyi. Tolaba? Oba osobola kumpita ki? Apart from Babby Gloria. Like it's my brand.
It's a Gloria.
Aba Gloria bangi naye bw'oyogera Babby Gloria wali ogwo omu ono gw'olina wano. Yes.
Abasinga bagamba mbu waliwo ebyayitinganakawo ne bagamba Babby Gloria yatandise okunywa omwenga emibiri wali kireka
kireka sibeerangayo bannange nedda bambi ebyo si bituufu. Yes, I'm putting on her as Uganda, one of the best fashion designers in Uganda. Yes.
The jewel?
The jewelry is Essence Store. Yes. Tafedinga. Essence Store Chikuba.
Okay. Like you say, others are fading.
Nedda sibwe ngambye omanyi omuntu asooka lowooza n'ebifeedinga nze mbagambye tebifeedinga ya Essence Store.
Tonight they're premiering Kampala Cream, and we've not seen you in on the other side of you doing this.
Yes, even for me, this is a surprise. We have always wanted to do a reality TV show with my family, but when this came in as an idea, we were like, oh, we have to go and do it. Yes.
And what does it portray you in this Kampala Cream, this reality show?
This reality TV show, at first I was like, Banange, people have never seen me like this. No one has ever scratched me like that. But then also, I think it's a privilege, it's a good platform, it's an amazing space, it's a huge space, and I thank God for it. Never Yesu.
Are we still doing music?
Yes, we are doing music.
Do you have
I'm multi-talented, nkola bino nabidi, brand ambassador, endorsements, reality TV show, byonna mbikola digital marketing. There's a lot. Kati olumusaga kuwa bintu biri half-baked music yetaaga time. Naye mumulinda ajja because it's my ministry.
When did you last give us one?
I think it was before I entered the university. I do have songs in store. Naye saagala kufulumya ebintu biri half-baked. Because nfulumya nnyimba za mwoyo zino fulumanga ddala for real. Si kumala gayimba, si kwagala kuba hit. Naye ennyimba zigenda okunyiga ebiwundu by'abantu, ennyimba zigenda okuwonya emmeme z'abantu, to preach the gospel and everything. So yeah.
From the Babby Gloria we knew before and the Gloria we're seeing right now, there's a little bit, a very big gap that you've changed. Yes. One would like to know, how do you see yourself evolving from the Babby Gloria to the Gloria?
I think I've really evolved for the better, for the positive, because bangi nnyo benatandika nabo nga sikyabalaba bendaba nebaza mukama nti weebali. So I think I've evolved in a good way, and I'm still evolving. I'm nowhere next to what I want to be or become. So I'm still working hard and believing in God and knowing that I'll reach there. Yes.
With the little ones we sing right now coming, and actually they're like everyone following the steps you went through before becoming the Gloria you are now.
Yeah.
What's your advice to them?
My advice to them is to keep their dreams burning. They'll eventually come true. Dreams don't lie, but also work hard, be consistent, keep your principles, and always believe in God. Yes.
You still love to be called Babby Gloria, or you're going to...
I'm Uganda's baby. I'm Uganda's baby. I'm going to be my husband's baby. I'm my mom's and daddy's baby. Kwegamba, the name baby will never go. I'm a baby.
You pitched something in my head when you said I'm going to be my husband's baby.
Yes. I'm going to be my husband's baby. I tell you, will I be my husband's mom?
That's right.
Soon. Soon. Nkoze bannange. These days my whole comment section is Ofumbi ready, Owasa neda siwasa.
I've seen that debate on sometime online when people are like, you're no longer a baby, we need to see a man.
Why kati namusabira ajja kujja.
Tadaba kujja.
Tembuuza bingi.
I thought you either dating or seeing someone.
I don't answer those questions.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Everyone, Gloria, welcome. We are very actually excited about you on the show, and I like what you said in the video that you did, that you guys always assume things about me. What made you come on this show?
What made me come on this show? First of all, my sister and I have grown up watching reality TV. And when this idea came to our family, we were like, hell yes.
Yeah.
Okay, no, heaven yes. Yeah.
So you guys have been thinking about it as a family?
Yes.
Of doing your own reality show. And then this came.
When this idea came, and we were like, we will open it.
We are hoping. And then in the show, you are giving everybody something. You say, what you now a quarter. Charlie Zato. Have you always been like this, very, out there, you just step up?
No. Growing up in the limelight, I'm the baby star in Uganda. Take in your place. They want to put you down. They want to, wrap their foot all over you like a doormat. So it made me assertive.
Right.
And people do not expect it. That is why it kind of rubs them off the wrong way. And this as a shigger and we were putting your book. And peace also we're going to be assertive and we're going
Okay. This guy. How much are you willing to give us? Are we going to see mommy? Are we going to see your boyfriend coming to the show? Are you also like Zato, you are in school and men are dogs? What's the deal here?
For me, I'm so positive. I've grown up with the best dad in the world. And today I'm know that the best man is going to be like my dad. So, but I'm still in school. I'm still in school. Oh my man, you're not trash. Am I pick me? Am I being pick me? Hey, me, my dad is not trash. So if I say men are trash, I'm calling my dad trash. Such a chop. I don't know what he is. Hey.
And there are already potential suitors that are getting ready. There's a guy there called Andrew. I know him. First of all, if you date him, there will never be rain in your family because he's a rainmaker. I see him Babby Gloria, clearly, even after this show already, there's going to be a lot of feedback. You come from, Christian Foundation, all of us know you, and many will question why, again, why, this might be called a secular product, TV product, but you've come. Aren't you defending Jesus?
I think we need to make Jesus famous, and we need to be able to take spaces in other platforms. There needs to be a representative in a Christian fraternity, really, and I think I can do that in a Christian fraternity.
Wonderful.
We're meant to take on big spaces. We're meant to make money. We're meant to represent amazing brands. We're meant to be CEOs. So that shouldn't stop us.
Awesome. That's so cool. Do we see mommy in the show with you? Your mom is like, those of you who don't know, I think Babby Gloria's mom is the Chris Jenner of Uganda. She's a manager, man. She's been with her since she was a baby. Yeah, she's managed your brand so damn it, she's managed you so well to this level. Do we see her joining you on the show?
She's my manager. Sometimes when you really so my manager has to come through. She's my therapist, she's my inspiration. She tells me what to do, she tells me what not to do. She reminds me of my principles and morals. So after times on the show I ask her, please show up for me, and she did.
And she did. So we'll get to watch her. Babby Gloria, ladies and gentlemen, Babby Gloria. Ugalo. She can also rap. Let's go.
Want me to rap for you?
Sorry, Jim, I'm trying to get you guys ready. You guys think with the show, we're going to be where we want to be.
It's a video, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Change. Awesome. Awesome. I'm switching. I'm switching.
Okay. Guys, just listen to me as you pause. When you're getting in and guys are making noise like attitude, feel it. Because it's also going to be on the show. Okay. The puppy. Is everything.
Hey. Gloria. Gloria. You walk towards my camera as you're going, eh?
Let me pass it.
Nice. Cut. That's it. Perfect. Let's go back.
My name is Babby Gloria. I am the first self-guard in Uganda. I appeared at 8 months old in the middle of the season, and you guys are going to see looks. I'm here to show you the family. I'm ready to why should you watch me? First of all, I'm full of laughter. Country of the only and 5 states.
New weapons in a space of 1 year. Interesting.
I'm a clean babe. I'm not meant to do it as well, so. Are you pregnant? No, I'm like dentist. Yeah.
Am I? Wait, are you?
Do I look pregnant? Honey, I think she said I'm pregnant. So I have an event, and I really want something packaged.
So my first impression of this woman that went into the store, I literally, obviously from her vibe, she obviously seems very fascinated about where she is. I can tell it's her first time to enter this store. Would you like us to have a seat and then Ruth can bring you a selection of what we have? Just to make you a bit more comfortable when you get something down at the honey for you. Yeah, just to make you as comfortable as you can. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Let's take a seat. I love